Hawe. Hayi. Yabona sothi sifika kumhla ka29. Kuyobe destroy all the status quo. Abakhokheliwe. And they must pay back the money. If they are not going to deliver, they must pay back the money. They must pay back the money. And bazama ngayo yonke indlela to stop this lokhuzana lolukhetho. Because the lolukhetho is totally different. Lalela ke mnumzana. Into engiyithanda ngayo yonke into. Ngoba benza ngendlela benza ngayo. Bazitshengisa bona ukuthi people are ready for change and people are ready to fight to the core. Ngoba ade ngisho nasekuqaleni ngithi back in the day a customer was a king or umuntu behlonishwa. Sesijwayelwa kabi. Sesijwayelwa kabi. Ukujwayelwa kabi lokho. And yawa lombuso bazobhaquza ngayo yonke indlela. Everything enomlungu phakathi is crashing down. Sinayo yonke information manje abasakwazi ukwenzani sibabambe ngamasente, sibabambe ngamankwahla kabi. Basabathe bayapaquza manje inkinga bafica umuntu owazi kahle ukuthi wenzani. And basifice kabi sabantu abamnyama, we are ready for change. Yonke into yabe yacollapse. Buki France njengamanje. Buki France kuma yasha. Buki Meliki yasha. Everything olumlungu iyasha. Because ngaba siyilana nje, it is because of white people. Ibona ba behind this thing. Ibona ba behind yonke lento le. Konke yonke into enomlungu phakathi yonke isystem izocollapse. Bathi babeka lokhu kuthiwa boo phansi, bathi babeka lokhu kuthiwa boo phansi, bathi babeka lokhu kanti yini umsebenzi wabo? Akona ukuvotisa. Bona basebefuna ukwenza izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esodwa. Bakweleta ama-million labawathathile. Angeke kuphela uthatha into yelokhuzane, nayo into ehlekisa ngoSathane. Ucabanga ukuthi xa kuzodlwa nje uzodla masicabanga ukuthi ke you are not going to deliver. Bazoqhamuka nawo ama tactics and techniques. Constitutional court bawobani bona? It is a proof ukuthi umthetho is not for us. It is a proof ukuthi umthetho is not for us. We need to go back. Unqamalala, salute to him and happy birthday. Siyambonga ukuthi uyasilwela ukuthi kuze kuprove ukuthi how pathetic the whole system is and how important. Yabo, every move that ANC, IEC or whatever that white people are going to do is a proof that we need to do something about the whole thing. And enough is enough. Don't worry, siyothi sifika kulokhuzane, siyothi sifika kulokhuzane so sifika kumhla ka29. Uyobona. Because they are trying by all means. They want war. They want war. Because whatever they are doing, they want to declare South Africa as a state of emergency, so that we are not going to vote. The thing is, unfortunately, they are in a position where they can't do that. And we are no longer stupid. We see every move coming from afar. And whatever they used to do before 2020, unfortunately, let us just, like I'm telling you, we are watching Netflix. All of these clowns, all of these judges, we will have to destroy these things. As a matter of fact, we will have to hang these things. all of these judges aba-implementeka abalukhuzana abatholakala bebandakanyeka endabeni ze-fraud because phela uma uganga noma uphula imithetho yezwe uyisuke that is a highest treason, that is a high treason in the highest order, that is treason in the highest order. What do you do? Wenzani umuntu mayenze leyo nto leyo? Uyahengwa. Gone. ISouth Africa safanele iclean into eziningi kabi. Kumele iclean into eziningi. Is bonke laba who are fighting, bonke laba benza izinto ezwrong, they must be hanged. Siyazi isikhathi sabo. And into emnandi ke ngeuniverse wenza now isikhathi sakho seza. Every dog has its day. Asikuhlupheka thina ezweni lobabamkhulu ngoba sifana si-entertain nezinja. It's not because I'm talking about my izinja. A white man, literally they have a dog of a blood. DNA. They have 3 DNA in their bodies. They have a DNA of a monkey. Monkeys. They have a DNA of a dog. That is why they behave like dogs. They eat everything. They have a behavior. They have a DNA of a chicken. That is why they are animals. If we call them animals, this is why they behave like that. Abelungu bangabolela abantu about 10,000. Aqhubeka umuntu angalahlekelwa ubuthongo aqhubeka lade because they are animals. They are just like a black mamba. A black mamba ngabulala like what ekubonayo phambi kwayo. Ayina ndaba. As long as sifuna ukuthi sifuna accommodate umlungu into our thing, we are going to have a serious problem. I always baba ngibuze mina ngithi uma ke njengamanje ngoba sinenkinga kaIsrael, sinenkinga yeMelika, sinenkinga yeIsrael, sinenkinga yeNATO, thina we are BRICS. Why are NATO countries still part of South Africa? Why are NATO countries still part of lokuzana of South Africa? Their embassies, why are they still here? Because we should be getting rid of their embassies. We should get rid of Americans. We don't need them here in South Africa. They're a problem. We have Mabella Bill. We have all of these useless, pathetic things. We have Tabane so that they are going to come and contaminate us. Basjove ngelo khuzane. Bashayile imithetho ebolile. Babhidliza ama-businesses kumanje nje lekhuzane yini se-IPC lekhuzane la register khona ama-companies but there's a problem. There's no problem. Bona they thought that they were going to control South Africa ngoba kade bethi akuhlangana i-ANC ne-DA ukuze abelungu bezobuye kade befuna ukuzovala ama-businesses bezosicwinya bayizinja labantu. Singakhohlisana nje ukukhohlisana. Okwesibili uyombona kanjani umuntu okuyena owala eSouth Africa uma sekuthiwa sekukhona sekukhona amalungu basebaka Israel sebezohlasela eSouth Africa? Uyobona kanjani abelungu base-Europe? Lelelani la siyinyona enyamasi. Mina ngisasho namanje abelungu abakethi basihambele kancane ezweni lethu. Abake basihambele kancane kumanje lama video bawaveza la. Oh my friend, bafuna usikhatha even nase-America into abayenzayo bafuna sile sodwa sabantu abamnyama, bathatha abantu abamnyama babakhipha la eAfrica babaseMelika, mase befika lapha abantu abasebenzisa amagenge njengoba nale South Africa befuna ukusenza bafuna silwe sodwa. We are not stupid. Lento eyenza ngo-2021 ngoba kwakufanele ukuthi i-BRICS la kwagcina the very same government nama-embassies ama-Americans agcina ezinjani, agcina ihlaselisa iSouth Africa namandiya. Kunamhlanje labantu lamandiya abulala avalelwe 3 years or 7 years. What phela 7 years u3 years loyo u3.5 ngoba kwakufanele sisukume silwe. Akuhlaleki bafethu nabanye abantu. Ngiyanibona nje libe nikhomba makwerekwere. Hey layelandla ayeke umuntu oyingozi njengomlungu. Kungcono namandiya because we abelungu abafika kana kahle la. Njengamanje if sifuna izwe lethu libe right, sifuna ukuba right because yonke lento yenziwa amabhunu nama-Americans abafuna ukuphunyuka eSouth Africa. Akunqamele kube yithina esihluphekayo nathi sivumeke libe sithi hayi rebonation. There is no such thing as a rebonation. Yizo lo baba mkhulu leli buka amakhosi ethu sinahlupeka kanjani kodwa lezi nje ziyabusa ezweni lethu.